What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have 3 Southwest 737-800s by NG models. These are one of the most recent releases from NG, it was nice to have another re-release of the Southwest 737-800. It is the first one. I didn't get to pick up as many copies as I wanted, so here we have 3 of these ones. All registration November 8565 Zulu. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna unbox one, review that, and then just have the other 3 unboxed and set out. But yeah, so we'll just move 2 off to the side, and we'll just get right to this one. The boxes are all gonna be the same, so here you have it. They did release one without the splits, but that one it's kind of irrelevant because that one doesn't really operate without the splits. All Southwest 738s, as far as I'm aware, have the splits. So yeah, let's just get right into it. There's the box like I just kind of showed you. Yeah, all right. 738, it's a very common. Oh yeah, I forgot about the card. There it is. Common model at our common site at LA, so that's why I got several of them, and they're just also great assets to have for any sort of project in the future. But here we have it, really nice. If I had the money, I would have honestly probably picked up a couple more to get 5 in total, because you just can never have enough Southwest aircraft. But yeah, alright. Alright, so here we have it. The 737-800 by NG. Let me just get this back over. And let's zoom on in. Let's readjust this here slightly. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, here we go, guys. Southwest 737-800. Looking really good here. The nose shape, and I have no idea what the people upstairs are doing right now. I'm sorry for that added noise you can hear. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Anyway, got some gray details around the nose here. There we go. Alright, looking really good. L1 door. Got the little heart, Southwest heart right there. Southwest titles. Engines, southwest.com. Looking really nice on that. You got the CFMs. Looking very nice. Great shape, not tilted, not bent, just right. Not too low, not too high. Got the wings looking really nice. Splits, as always. Looking great on the Southwest 738, if it'll focus. I'm sorry, it's not focusing, but that's okay. You get the gist of it. Got the antenna at the top there, antenna at the bottom right there, looking very nice, just moving along. Got the overwing exits. Got the Wi-Fi at the back there, and then the registration number 85650, American flag, and the aft exit. So there's this good old Southwest tail. Very nice. Not too much else to go through. And on this side, you got the baggage doors, the front, and the back. So very nice. Good old Southwest 737-800. Really happy that NG re-released this. So very nice. Very excited. I'm excited for their the Tennessee one that is now on a 738, and they released that. So I'm super excited to get that in the future. But yeah, so let's just put this aside, and we'll go ahead and just open up these other ones, check them out, and then just to display them all. Card. Alright, there it is. Got these all out here looking really nice. Another good model. No issues there. Let me fix the box. Alrighty, and last but not least, the last one here. There's the card. Off to the side, fix the box. Alright. Here we have it. Alright, awesome. 3 for 3, beautiful models, all in good shape. I am happy with that. Alright. Here you have it, guys. 3 Southwest, the 3 Southwest 737. Let's see how I'm going to do this. Stack them like so. Alright, here we have it, guys. 3 Southwest 737-800s by NG Malls. A very, very nice model. Would highly recommend it. Let's move these over here. There we go. Alright. Hope you all enjoyed this video. That's going to do it for this one. So yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later, guys.